I'm Angela Miller. I'm a new patient here at Revitalize MD. This is about my second month. So the service I received was the Recovery IV. The reason why I came today is for vitamin, nutrition, dehydration. I initially came a couple months ago when I ran a Spartan race, which was about 8 miles. A friend of mine, Hillary, told me about this place. So I tried it out the day before the race, and then I came back in about 3 days after the race. And this was my 19th race, and the only race that I had no pain afterwards and felt great. So very impressed. So I've been back 2 other times. My first reaction here was I'm very, very impressed with all the different services that they have, number one. Everybody here has been awesome, answered my questions very well, very personable, very impressed. I would recommend everybody, very active people especially. Also, even though you are on the go all the time like I am, you get to sit in this nice lounge and chill out for about an hour. But the vitamins, I'm telling you, is awesome. The hydration, awesome. I just highly recommend it. Very good staff, very personable.